all of them just kind of seem the same to me.
I find it very boring.
They were talking about being your best self.
I literally was going to fall asleep in it.
But there are really good ones, like end of term assemblies.
I think the teacher did a really good job about spreading.
Obviously it's not the best, but it is the best.
Other than the end of term assemblies, where we get to celebrate everyone's achievements and see what they have accomplished in that term, I love seeing groups in our school perform a dance or a song for us to showcase their talent.
Rewards assembly, we have this at the end of every term and it's really fun.
When we had one about autism awareness, because I think the teacher did a really good job about spreading like what it's about, what it is, and I think it was just really good.
I found the Christmas one really fun because our head of year made like a song, like a Christmas song, and it's based on our year group, so that was fun.
The one about the periods, because I thought that was quite factual for everyone.
We had one about turtles and like plastics in the ocean and everything like that, which really stuck in my mind, but obviously it's not the best, but it is the best, because that's the one that we need to think about.
So this year there's been some assemblies which I've been bored, which was my careers assembly, because I literally was going to fall asleep in it.
There's this one where they were talking about being your best self, and I literally fell asleep in it, and then I got told off for falling asleep afterwards.
When we have been told off or explained serious issues in the school, so it could be mental health, drugs, alcohol, kind of knife crime, all things that the schools have to learn.
Probably when I nearly fell asleep about like uniform and stuff. Assemblies are just boring in general anyway.
It's always the ones where we're choosing sport fixtures. It's so boring because I'm just like not into sport at all, and I don't generally sign up for that.
We had an assembly on what we should choose for university. It was just so boring. Like, the concept is really fun and exciting. Like, that could have been such a fun assembly, but they just didn't really make it very fun at all.